a good one. That's a really good one. Look at this thing, Dave.
Hold him up for the camera. Oh, that's a nice one. What are you, about 2-3 pounds,
Yeah.
huh? That's called, we call him a birthday fish. Nice fish. There he is.
It's a good one, huh?